how to use Magic Eraser in Canva. Open up any browser you have and type in canva.com. Hit enter and let's get started. Once you're on the Canva homepage, let's open an image. I already have one here, but feel free to upload your own image that you want to work with. Next, if you want to remove objects from your image, click on the image itself. Then, head over to the Edit section located at the top of the page. Now, on the left-hand side under Magic Studio, you'll see an option called Magic Eraser. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now notice that you have two options. You can either use a brush or use a click to erase objects. Let's start by using the brush. Adjust the brush size to your liking and carefully brush over the objects you want to remove. Once you're done, navigate back to the left menu and click Erase. As you can see, not all objects are removed perfectly, which is okay. The click option tends to work much better for cleaner results. To start fresh, click Reset Tools on the left side and hit Confirm. This will bring back the image to its original state. Now let's use the click option. Simply click on the click option provided. Click on the image to select the particular area or object you wish to erase. After you've selected it, go ahead and hit the Erase button again. As you can see, the unwanted image is completely gone now, leaving you with a much cleaner result. And that's it.